Every time you think of starting a new dropshipping business, you wonder how I'm gonna find the winning products and how I'm gonna compete with my competitors. To solve these problems, I have best solution and tool for you that I personally use, SellerCenter.io. Hey guys, Rana here. I have built several dropshipping stores that made this much pure profit in 1 month. And today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find winning products and also how to get it from the best dropshipping supplier for your dropshipping business. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so this is the website that I'm talking about to find a winning product for your dropshipping business. This is the analytic tool for Shopify that comes with the Shopify Hunt extension that you can install directly in your Chrome browser. I've been using this tool for months and it gives me so much amazing results to find a winning product, or you can track your competitor Shopify store as well with this tool. This is the research e-commerce platform. With the SellerCenter.io, you can analyze Shopify seller data to uncover industry operating strategies, analyze AliExpress seller data to identify new sourcing and product trends, and analyze the Shopee and Lazada seller data to unlock the secret of Southeast Asia market. You can also analyze the Amazon seller data to reveal global market insight, and much more you can do with this tool. With this tool, you can quickly gain product inspiration like multi-dimensional filter option to help you to quickly find the most promising products, boosting your selection efficiency, analyze trending product for dropshipping to gain deep insight into bestseller, understand market trends, and optimize strategies. Additionally, you can track competitor ad strategies. With SellerCenter, you can view Shopify store ads across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube for comprehensive understanding of their ad placement. And with this tool, you can learn your competitor strategies to identify market opportunity and refine your own market plan. To start with this tool, go to the first link in the video description and it will take you to this website. On this website, you can start for free just by clicking here. So on this page, first thing first, you need to create an account. Just click here, login, and here you will see two tabs, login and register. Click on register and fill in the simple registration form just by typing your email and password, or you can use your Google account to register on this website. Since I already have an account on this website, I'm gonna log in just by tapping my email and password, and I'm gonna click on login. Alright, so this is the page that you see very first time when you log in. Right now we are inside the sales tracking tab. In the left hand side, you will see different types of features to find the winning product or succeed in the dropshipping business. The very first thing in the sales tracking, we have the option to enter the store URL in order to track their performance, how they are doing well, what product they are selling the most, which product is getting higher sale of particular store. Let me show you an example. At the bottom, if you look here, you can see this is the store. This is a demo store. If you go to the store tab here in the left hand side, you'll find different types of store over here listed here. If you already knew any competitor store URL, you can enter the competitor store URL in the sales tracking option and it will give you the complete detail about that store. For example, let's say this is your competitor store URL. Let's copy it and let's come back to sales tracking. Let's paste the store URL of your competitor and click on add to track. So you can see add to tracking successfully. Now this is the store. Just click here. So you can see the complete detail about this store. In the top here, you will find several tabs like overview, information, product, live sale, and so on. If you go to overview, in the overview section, you can see complete detail like country, theme they are using in their Shopify store, and main category they have, the keywords they are using the most, and monthly sale and revenue, store created date, last sale time, and average product price. Below you will see the information like how many products they have, region, merchant name, theme name and theme, and few other information. If you scroll down, you will see the products that they are selling. If you keep scrolling down, right now we are inside the live sale tab. Here you will see sale tracking number is 29. Get last 15 days of sales for this store after tracking. You can view the complete sale report just by clicking here. So here you can see the total number of product they have sold today and sold yesterday, and total product they have sold. Same thing goes here, products sold, estimated revenue, products they have on their store, average price, monthly visits they have, and created time, and so on. And this graph tells the sales over time. As you can see, if you keep scrolling down, here you can see product they sold per hours using this graph. As you can see, every hour they are selling 35 to 48 products, which is amazing. This way you can understand the potential of selling these kind of products. If this store can sell 48 products every hour, you can do the same. That means these kind of products has potential to sell in the online market. Okay, let's go back just by clicking here. So you can see today they have sold 487 products. Just open the store and see what kind of product they are selling. Your job is to track the already successful businesses and see what type of product they are selling in recent days. The next tool you can use to find the winning products or succeed in dropship business is ad analysis tool. Just open this up, and here you can see these filter options. We have the search bar and we have the drop down where we can search the ad copy, ad information, social profiles, e-commerce information, landing page, domain, and so on. Using this filter, you can narrow down your search results. Let's say you are planning to search on Facebook and for Shopify store, and here you can select the date and select the country. I'll go with the United States. Let's type the United States, select it, and then click on show results. You can also use the advanced filter options. So here you will see all the details about Facebook ads because we have selected the Facebook channel here. You can select the TikTok as well, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you like. And here you can see the complete detail like total number of popularity, impressions, duration, and the region and the date. If you click on the learn more button, it will open that product page for you. Let's close this out. You can also add these kind of stores into your tracking advertiser list like we did before. If you click on this order now button, it will take you to the product page where you can see how they are making these kind of pages and how you can create even better page so that you can win the race of this dropshipping business. Okay, so let's close this out. Make sure to check out the ad analysis tool. Next, we have the ad tracking. If you go here in the ad tracking, you can see we have the tracking list. Currently, we have 0 list, but you can create a new one just by clicking on new tracking button. Here we have few tabs over here like advertiser name, store/website link, advertiser link, and page ID. You can add tracking whatever way you are prefer. If you click here store/website, just enter the store or website link over here and then click on search. Let me add the store link. So this is the store link. So let me click on search. Now select the store. I'm going to select this one and click on ad tracking. So we have added the store. Let's close this one. So you can see we have added this store over here, and you can see that the total number of ads they are running, landing pages they have, and ad products they have. If you notice here, we have few buttons right here like we have the ad tracking detail, modify group, add note, and stop tracking button. Let's click on the ad tracking detail. It will open a new tab. So guys, here you will see the results right here. We have few tabs like overview, ads, products, landing page, ad analysis, ad copy, and below you will see the filters where you can narrow down your search results like you can narrow down your ads, and you can enter the keyword. You can select the channel, like if you want to track ads on Facebook, you can select the Facebook and see if this store running ads on Facebook, on TikTok, or any other ad network. Okay, you can select the media format from here. If they are running video ads, let's select a video and let's see if this store is running video ads. Let's click on show results. So you can see this store running these kind of video ads. So with this way, you can see what kind of ad they are running and how these ads are performing on Facebook. Let's say Facebook, click on show results. On Facebook, they are running these kind of ads. The location is France, as you can see. This is Canada, France, Germany. They're running ads on different regions, as you can see. So basically, you can track your competitor store and see what are they doing and how well they are doing. If their ads are performing great, you can copy their product strategies that is already succeeding. With that way, you can also rank your own dropshipping business. Okay, so next we have the dropshipping tab over here. Just click here. Here you can find the best and winning dropshipping product just by entering the keyword if you have it in your mind, or you can find the keyword from your competitor stores as well. You can find the perfect and best dropshipping product from 𝘃𝗵𝗿 and 𝗃𝗶𝗿. Like I mentioned before, you can search the results just by typing the product keyword, or you can enter the product URL, or you can upload the image of the product just like this one to find that product from 𝘃𝗵𝗿 and 𝗃𝗶𝗿. If you keep scrolling down, you can see we have the filter option as well. Here you can sort by price, sale, and repeated purchase rate, and minimum and maximum price, and you can choose the star rating from the list, and you can also check this box if you only see the certified factories. Let's check this box, and you can see the only certified factories that's selling this product that you can import directly to your store. If you click on any product, it will open a new tab where you will be land on handhunt.io. This platform allows you to import product directly to your store. Okay, let's close this one. Make sure to check out that website as well. So this is very useful option. The best part is you can find the much cheaper product from AliExpress at 𝘃𝗵𝗿 and 𝗃𝗶𝗿. And here you can also find the certified factories that help you to source the product into your store. Okay, so make sure to try out this feature. If you go to Stores tab, here you can see we have the filters to narrow down the search results that we already seen. You can also track any competitor store just by entering the keyword or the URL of the store. You can also use these filter, like you can select the platform they have, basic filter like category, product count, store address, or you can say the store location. And we have the advanced filter option like how many monthly visits they have, monthly sale they should have, how many Facebook ads they must have, and active and password protected and inactive store you can also see from here. Okay, you can also have the time filter as well. Once you get the result, you can export the CSV file as well for complete detail. Next, we have the Shopify products. On the Shopify products, you can see same, we have the keyword search bar where you can search for products and store. We also have the filters options to narrow down the search results, and these are the Shopify stores. As you can see, if you click here, it will open that Shopify store. As you can see, this store selling these kind of patches or products. As you can see, they even have video ads. Your job is to track their store, copy the store URL and add to sale tracking and see how good they are performing over the time. If recently they are making huge amount of sale, that means they are selling trending and winning products. Okay, just copy their strategies and you're good to go. This is one of the best strategies I personally use. If any of you finding struggle to find the winning product, this is one of the best strategy that you need to adapt right away. Next, we have the AliExpress products. On this tab, we have the same kind of filters and we have the products from AliExpress. You can export the CSV file as well. You can open any product just by clicking here. So guys, here you can see the complete detail regarding this product. The price of the product you can see over here, total number of reviews they have, number of orders they have, and the star rating. And this graph shows the orders over time. You can also see the wish list over time as well. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the product performance over time, the top location where they are selling these kind of products. If you keep scrolling down, you can see the Shopify seller or similar products. You can keep scrolling down, you can find lots of stores that are selling same kind of products. And you can also see the price, last 7-day order, last 7-day revenue, number of Facebook ads they are running. Like this store is running 193 ads for this particular product. As you can see, they're running these much ads because they are making profit from it. And you can do the same just by copying their strategies, their product page, their store design, reduce the price of the product from your competitor product price, create amazing UGC ads using AI, like you can use ChatGPT and VO3 to create amazing looking ads for your product if you want to bypass your competitor. So I assume you know how to find the winning product. Just copy the already successful businesses and see how they are doing using this amazing SellerCenter.io tool. You can also check out these free tools like Dropshipping Profit Calculator. This calculator tells you that how much profit margin you can make. Plus, you can see we have the standard and professional tab to tell you more detail about your profit margin. Next, we have the trademark search. Here you can search the trademark just by entering the keyword. Avoid selling trademark products like Puma, Apple, or other top well-known brands. Do not sell their products on your store. Avoid them. If you do not familiar with any kind of brand, just enter their keyword and see if they have the trademark. If they do have, do not sell their products. Next, we have the patent search. Here you can use this tool to identify the existing patents. Again, do not sell any kind of product that already have the patents. Okay, next we have the Shopify theme detector. Here you can enter any Shopify store URL and see what theme they are using. In fact, let me open any Shopify store. From here, let's open this one. Let's copy the URL, come back here, Shopify theme detector, paste the URL, and let's see what theme this store is using. So you can see this store is using this theme. Okay, so this way you can detect your competitor store's theme using this free tool. So if you notice that I have the Pro tool because this is a further tool to find the winning product. And if you go to pricing, you can see they have created basic, pro, and expert plan. So choose the one that fits with your budget and aligns with your goal. Currently, I have the Pro plan. As you can see, I've subscribed to this plan just because of I know this is the one of the best tool to find a winning product. So make sure to check out the description box of this video. You might find some discount there. And lastly, if you go to the home page and you can download the Shopee Hunt extension as well for your Chrome browser, just click here and click on Add to Store, click on Add Extension. And now with this extension, you can spy Shopify and AliExpress store with this amazing extensions. Okay, so that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.